Hello family, welcome back to Shirley's Kitchen. Let you know you're back in my kitchen today with me. So today I'm making some pancakes out of plantains. So I got a whole plantain here and a half. I'm going to chop that up and blend it all up. So just stay with me while I show you how that's done. I'm using 1.5 plantains, medium ripe, not too soft, right texture to blend. So I'm just chopping it up right now. This is gonna go into this blender right here. That's a 1.5 plantain. I have here some coconut milk. I'm gonna blend it with that milk. I'm gonna use about 2 cups to blend. This is the first step. I'm gonna blend it. Consistency. Good. I'm going to pour that in my bowl over here. Now I'm going to prepare my dry ingredients, so stay with me. So I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose gluten-free flour. 2 level cups. Okay. This is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Add the same amount as if I was using regular flour. I'm gonna whisk that all in. If you want to add anything like cinnamon powder, at your will. And always blend it together. So I'm now going to add it to my wet ingredients. Over here is the plantain that I blended with the coconut milk. I'm going to add it slowly. Coconut milk. Then loosen it up a little bit. This will give you about 12 to 14 small pancakes. I'm going to finish off the flour here. Actually pour it in. Coconut milk also. Just do it slow. It's dripping like it should. And make it a little bit lighter if you want, and I'm gonna add that a little bit more. I'm also gonna put a tablespoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon actually. That's about it. You could add sugar, family, if you want, or any kind of sweetener like honey, agave syrup, if you want. But remember, this is the plantain and it's kind of sweet, so at the end you could add your syrup and that would make it happen for you. This is it. I'm ready to go and make this pancake, plantain pancake. I added about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And I'm also gonna make a big one over here for you guys. Lower that. It's already bubbling, so it's getting there. Yeah. Another one. That's a nice big one. Lower that there. While that's going, I'm going to drop in some of this one here. These going to be very small. I'm doing like 4 over here. 2, 3. Okay, that's the last one. This pot could only hold 4. Let that go. Check on this one. It's done. Totally done. Remove this from the heat.
So you wait till you see the bubbles on top before you flip?
Yeah, once it's bubbling all around, then you can flip.
Okay.
That means it's, it's cooked. Almost cooked.
Nice and golden. That's good.
Almost done. Just gotta let it do a little longer, cook a little longer, because it's not just the flour, it's also the plantain you need to cook in. Okay, family, here we go. All done.
Nice.
Plantain pancakes, lots of fruits.
Fully plant-based, fully
Toppings
vegan.
with coconut flakes, and of course our maple syrup, all healthy and natural. Enjoy it.